So I don't know, I think this is the 5th or 6th video, but I just wanted to show you the detail here on the flashing. Flashing could have came out a little bit more on the side, but it's good enough. So what I got going on here, if you look, I needed to seal this other side here, the flashing against the face of the house too. So what we have, we got hardy panel under here, and then that hardy panel seal was Flex Seal, and then above that we've got flashing, okay, and that covers my joint between the house and the foundation, so that stays free of critters chewing in through it. We've got kick out flashing here, okay. All the tops of the wood have been treated with Flex Seal to protect them, and then we've got joist hangers. Every other one here you can see, and it's very important you seal up underneath the door, up under here. See, you can't get the angle, but that's all been sealed up and waterproofed. At the end where the flashing, you'll see a crack. And then this is all reused wood. All the wood on this deck is the reused wood from the original deck. You just watch the first video, you'll see. We're just tidying up the end here. We got to finish flashing, but no more deck. Sick of them. Waste of time, waste of money. You know, I'd rather have grass, or actually I'd rather not have grass. I'd rather have rock and not have to worry about it. But there it is. So we're fixing to put on the decking. Going to be using trex and fastening that down, and the detail on the side. So if you look at the trex board, if I can find that sample, where's that sample at, Bubba? It's not. It's that. It's hardly visible. Okay, where is my trex sample? What a mess. Anyway, I can't find my trex sample. If I can find it, there it is. See what's hiding. Okay, so if you take a look, we're going to do a border in gray, and then we're going to do the brown. So the whole point of this is when I do my border, see, we're going to be able to set that right on here. Okay, and that's how she'll sit for the border. And then of course it'll come in this way, like so, right? So you'll have your 45 here. That'll be the 45, right? But you need to have them two sporting joists there to put that, do that trim the way you want to do it, border trim. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to do the border trim. We'll lay 2 more pieces behind the border trim in brown. Border trim will be gray. And then we got to put our stairs on. So stairs will be coming out of the doors here, sliding glass door, the width of the door, and actually a little wider on this side. I want to go to that joist there, and that joist there to that one there will be the width of our stairs. Coming down here, we'll seed this all up and make it right. So I just want to give a little detail explanation of what you want to do. And if this wall gets wet, Noah's Ark never floated. I'm telling you, this house could crumble, and this old this old deck here, world's smallest deck, shortest deck, it would still be standing. All right, so hopefully this helps somebody out. Over now. I'll do a video when we're all done.